ulam namin tinola. Kakain si kuskus ng tinola. Tinola kus, tinola. Ano lasa kus? Sarap! Napapataas ang kamay ni Kus sa sarap! Ang sarap, Kus! Isa pa! Isa pa daw. Isa pang subo ng tinola! Tinola! Yeah! Ang sarap!
Panti na lang.
What's that will mean is some very tough decisions about the kind of hospital services we need in future. There's likely to be a reduction.
Tinola! First time niyang kumain ng tinola.
Ayun.
Hindi yan sinigang tinola yan, anak.
Why are they changing